Hi everyone, today we're fixing a 2016 BMW 3 Series F chassis with non-cooling air conditioning. We already checked and refilled the refrigerant and tested the condenser with no leaks found. Now we will use THINKCAR 394 device to diagnose the vehicle. We will check if there are other circuit faults or compressor faults. The device successfully identifies the vehicle model, so we enter the diagnostic system and run the high-speed scan. We can see several fault codes stored in the vehicle system, such as programming cancellation and some wiring fault codes. These are basically communication-related faults. Now we need to inspect the computer plug on the compressor side of this vehicle and check if the plug is in normal condition. Alright, next we will measure the plug on the compressor to verify whether the plug works normally. This is a 3-pin connector. First, we test the ground wire. It works fine. The middle pin is the LIN signal wire. We need to start the vehicle and turn on the air conditioning for testing. A 9-volt LIN wire signal is detected, which proves the circuit is normal and all voltage readings are within standard range. We finish testing the connector and confirm it has no issues, so we suspect the problem lies with the compressor itself. We will remove it for inspection. Take off the intake pipe. Lift the vehicle to an appropriate height, then start removing the underbody guard plate. After removing the guard plate, we can use tools to pry loose the lower section of the intake pipe. Then lower the vehicle and fully remove the intake pipe. Dismantle the surrounding accessories, take the removed intake pipe and set it aside. After that, we can take out the compressor. The compressor is now removed. Next, we take the compressor to the workbench to check its internal condition. We have fully disassembled the compressor. After inspection and judgment, we confirm the clutch coil is damaged, so we will install a brand new clutch coil. There are generally two types of compressor failures: faulty clutch coil or seized internal pistons. You can easily tell if the pistons are damaged. Spin the compressor and listen for rattling noises. If you hear that, the whole compressor needs replacement, as overhauling internal pistons is extremely time-consuming. However, a bad clutch coil is a minor repair, no need for full compressor replacement, which saves lots of cost. The clutch coil generates strong magnetic force when powered on, locking the pulley and inner rotor together to activate the compressor. When the AC is off, no power flows to the coil, so the pulley spins freely without driving the compressor. AC compressors are tough components, usually lasting 10 to 20 years. All car brands build them with solid quality. When faults occur, we just diagnose and fix them. Most issues stem from bad clutch coils, and this repair won't cost much. Now we prepare for installation. The compressor is mounted back on the vehicle. Tighten all screws with tools. Rotate the belt pulley. Then reinstall the drive belt. Plug the wiring connector back into place. We have refilled the refrigerant and the system pressure is normal. The intake pipe is also fully installed. The vehicle is running right now. Let's check the temperature at the air outlet. Look at this thermometer. It reads 10 degrees Celsius. Cold air comes out from the air outlet, so everything is working normally. After that, we connect our THINKCAR device to clear the vehicle's fault codes. We still use the THINKCAR 394 device. Enter the diagnostic system and run an high-speed scan. This fault code here belongs to the windshield system, which has nothing to do with the air conditioning. All air conditioning related fault codes have disappeared. We carry out another fault code clearing operation. Now we can see on the vehicle control screen there are no air conditioning related fault alerts. The compressor also operates normally. All systems function properly. The code clearing process is finished and no other fault codes remain. The repair of this vehicle is completed. All done.